What if I told you you could pass any prop firm challenge in just 2 trades? I'm dropping a game-changing hack on how you can pass any prop firm challenge with just 2 trades using this crazy money management trick called asymmetric compounding. Seriously, this method can help you ramp up any trading account in no time. So, what the heck is asymmetric compounding? It's simple. Asymmetric compounding is all about putting your profits to work right away by risking what you just won on the next trade. You can only pull this off with a risk-to-reward ratio of more than 1-to-1, but if that's you, you're gonna love it. Let's break it down with an example with 1-to-3 risk-to-reward ratio. Imagine this. You go in on your first trade, risking just 1% of your account, aiming for that sweet 1-to-3 risk-to-reward ratio. Boom, you win. Now your account is up by 3%. But here's the fun part. Instead of going back in with 1% on the next trade, you now risk the 3% you just earned plus your original 1%, putting 4% on the line for round 2. Now, if you nail that second trade, you'll score a massive 12% gain because 4% times 3 equals 12%. And just like that, you've exceeded the 10% target most prop firms need to pass. 2 trades and you're done. Want to go bigger? Now, you've got 2 options. You can either start back at 1% and keep it cool, or if you're feeling bold, take your entire 12% gain plus an extra 1% and go all in with 13% on the next trade. If you win again, you're up 39%. And if you're feeling really lucky, stack the whole 39% on a 4th trade with an extra 1%, turning your account into a wild 120% return. 4 trades, done and dusted. But what if you lose? No worries. If you lose the second trade, you're down just 1% from your original account. That's it. Minimal risk, maximum potential. A less aggressive twist. Want to keep it a bit more chill? Just risk your winnings from each trade without adding that initial 1%. For example, after winning the first trade, you'd only risk the 3% you gained. This way, if you lose, you're right back where you started, no harm done. So, what do you think of this money management hack? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's hear it.